He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over.
Alin?
We were in love for a minute, had a moment in the sunshine. We were something, now we're nothing, 'cause I broke it when I realized it was all deep within, feelings that can't pretend. I guess I got thicker skin, 'cause I just don't care. He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. I'm doing me, and he don't know what to do, 'cause I'm over here, happy it's over. Yeah, I'm over on the hurting side. I'm leaving it right over there. Maybe it's cool, but I'm over here, happy it's over. Heart was broken, words unspoken, had me crying like the river. Pain was growing, now I'm glowing, feeling finally delivered. Waiting on Atlantic Beach, I'll never be what you need. No, I don't care. He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. I'm doing me, and he don't know what to do, 'cause I'm over here, happy it's over. Yeah, I'm over on the hurting side, letting go of the problem, leaving it right over there. Maybe it's cool.
Agad do.
Hindi pa na yan ah. Wala pa 1 year.
Ah. Alin?
Kuya, sino mas magaling kumuha sa inyo? Sorry po, ma'am. Kami sa paa, diba?
Ha?
Magaling na kami sa paa.
No?
Hindi?
Hindi.
Ayaw?
Chokoy pala ako.
Kuya, hindi ako marunong lumangoy sa loob.
Sana? Aray, puro bato pala dito. Kala ko puro buhangin. Buti na lang, swerte mo ah. Nakaba ka? Kaya pala tahimik mo na. Bakit ba?
Ano pa rin adventure na?
Mapapunta po.
Sino lang kami mamaya sa community sa kanina?
Magkasama naman tayo.
Hindi na tayo mag-bye.
Uy, uy, uy. Tingin?
Visit kayo maganda at linaw. Malinaw?
Doon! Lawin na. Mahirap pala pag... Uy, wait lang. Wait.
Oy, kumapit ka! Tignan mo!
Hindi ako makagalaw kasi may ano.
Kapit ka dito lang sa Lubet. Ito ko kay Lubet.
Ay, ito na? Yan, mga kulit. Mga lahat na.
Sobrang lalim! Sabi sa akin! Sobrang lalim! Silip kayo! Silip ka! Kumapit kayo!
Siguro hindi na pressure sa inyo.
Uy, kuya! Gago! Kuya, doon tayo sa medyo may ano, bato. May magagal naman.
Ang dami! Ay! Parang gusto ko ilubog yung 360 tapos kukunin. Tapos kinatag-graduate eh.
Tapos naman na.
Okay na.
Kasi yung anak ko hindi pa
Ay, sila nagdadive na. Ay, ano sila si Sir Fakey?
Gago, bakit naman?
Grabe na naman.
Kaya nga, parang Latak ba tayo?
Hindi tayo lumalayo.
Ito, dito tayo pa.
Pinaligid ba tayo dyan para hindi tayo makakal?
Tiis ka na malapit ka! Okay lang yung pare kesa naman pati nga lumapit sa atin.
Tama ako eh.
Ang dami, gumagano ba tayo? Magalaw ko yung isa.
Tinan mo sa gitna. Puta, ganda.
Wala!
Magkano ka ba?
Try natin.
Try natin. Kayang bayad.
Gusto ko i-try.
Hindi tayo bumili ng 7,300 dito na sir. Para hindi ma-posting. Kawali.
Parang ayoko nga. Try
Try
natin,
mo.
birthday ko ngayon eh. Hindi
Wala
na
pala.
ilan pa yung birthday niya pero matry. Pero putang na lali. Ay, palayo na palayo. Kuya, palayo ka na eh.
Hindi ah.
Weh!
Ah, nakatali tayo. Nakatali tayo eh.
Sige pare, pag nakatayo na. Oh my God, wala ka. Wala ka ginagawa ko kasi hindi ka takgal ah.
Tayo na.
Tapos hawak ka. Hindi na kami nakapabuhay ng tahimik. Mamaangat din ako. Okay ba yun? Sa parang naman.
1, 2, 3. Hindi pala.
Hindi yung kabukunin tayo tapos nung tubog na ako, medyo nawala naman yung kabahan.
Oo.
Tapos ayun, inahat niya ako agad. Sabi ko, kuya, angat mo lang talaga ako. Kasi
Ako din eh, sinabi ko rin eh, kahit
maganda pag walang ano life vest.
mas malalim pero mas aangat ka pa rin eh.
Ako hindi, ayoko talaga. Sinabi ko kasi baka magpanik ako. So iniisip ko na magpanik. Ito tayo.
Ito tayo. Para ka pag...
Ano ito ka ba?
Anyways, Ran, babaw na. Excuse sir. Mawak. Si Dory nakita ko. Pahila.
Ha? Baba? Ano? Ano pang hila?
Hilahin mo ako. Ako na lang.
Okay. Habang inawa kami, okay.
Ay, pag-ulit sabi ko. Ipanaw man. Tulog lang papasok.
Ayun, sir.
Ulit mo ngayon, sir. Ulit lang mo yan.
Sige.
Malapok ka na.
Okay.
Sundan ha?
Isa mo siya na.
Okay lang po.
Ali. Hi ka.
Wala na akong mga... Hi, hi vlogs.
Apat kayo, diba?
Apo.
Usod lang mo tayo dito, ma'am. Kinig mo na kay kuya. Kasi may dadaanan na dyan. So ito, sa activity natin, so ito na lang, sinigurado ko na lang. Apat kayo, apat din kami.
Apo.
Okay? So tingin ko lang sa lakad natin, nahuli kayo. Yung iba malakas, so siyempre dito, mahuli din tayo. So dito, bago tayo mag-umpisa, kilala mo na kami. Kuya Kukoy lang po.
Kukoy.
Kuya Kukoy. Silikod.
Kuya Rolly.
Kuya Roy. Roy. Ano ka tare? Oh.
Kuya Jean.
Okay, lahat ng talunan natin, optional. Maliban lang sa gitna yung 2 meters. Okay? Pag tumalon kayo, 7 o 5, huwag lang kayo kumukuha, masakit yung puwet natin. Tapos straight. Kayong mga boys, huwag yung open yung paa. Defense yung balls. Oh, straight lang, parang kandila. Ganito lang. Pag nasa starting point na kayo, huwag na kayong pag-ulit kasi madulas. Ganito na lang, one step lang. Okay? Straight.
Sawakan nyo na may pakitry po.
Kung gusto nyo mag-video habang tumatalong kayo, ganun lang. Ito yung 4 meters, ma'am. Yan. Kung hindi kaya, yung tayo. Ano sa palagay?
Nakakit ka muna sarili mo.
Naku, nawala yung GoPro.
Makikita lang kayo, mama. Patawag mo. Kasi yan, ma'am. Tumakbo mo na ako. Pagkatapos pa. Pagkatapos pa kayo na pala sa kayo, ma'am. Pag-ahon nyo, huwag kayong mapapanig. Batlot lang kayo kasi may kayo doon. Okay? Pag batlot nyo, pag-ahon nyo gano'n. Huwag kayong gumanon. Pag-ahon ka naman.
Liwang pa. Tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Jump.
Don't wash my hair cause I'm finishing off that shower beer. Uh-oh, how the hell I get here? I'm short on rem, so now 2 p.m. is the morning. I'm out of groceries, so Twizzlers are gonna have to do. Uh-oh, what the hell did I do? If I'm gonna be a mess, I'm gonna do my best at it. I'm getting high at a show, I'm at an all-time low. They keep on saying it's a matter of time.
Kapit sa live jacket.
Wings got me aging like wine. Yeah, my lemons have all got it rotten. When you stop going up, it's the best option. Been living life in every shade of gray. I'm all cried out, so at the end of the day, I'll be partying hard with my problems, getting lit with my shit rocked at rock bottom. I lost a lot of my friends, they got so sick of my pain. The one where years of my career had all been flushed down the drain. I had to fire my therapist when I needed her most, cause she was charging to fight me over my Instagram post. What the fuck? Ooh, if I'm gonna be a mess, I'm gonna do my best at it. Ooh, I'm getting high at a show, I'm at an all-time low. They keep on saying it's a matter of time, but all the waiting's got me aging like wine. Yeah, my lemons have all got it rotten. When you stop going up is the best option. Been living life in every shade of gray. I'm all cried out, so at the end of the day, I'll be partying hard with my problems, getting lit with my shit rocked at rock bottom. I feel like now is a good time to show you a poem I wrote. I'm falling apart like sandstone because the times are dark like obsidian. I feel like I'm losing my marbles, trying to be a diamond in this world. Just sing the chorus, right? They keep on saying it's a matter of time, but all the waiting's got me aging like wine. Yeah, my lemons have all got it rotten. When you stop going up is the best option. Been living life in every shade of gray. I'm all cried out, so at the end of the day, I'll be partying hard with my problems, getting lit with my shit rocked at rock bottom.
Dude, do you really have to say all that stuff about rocks? Yeah, no, the rock poem is staying. Okay, it's your song.
What the dog? Natatanggal yun. Yun o. Kuha-kuha. Lang yung ano nga rin ako. Hindi ako makawitag eh. Tumabit ata yung paa mo sa ano.
ano ko live bet ko hindi.
Hey, no, it's not like me to wanna stay a while, but I guess something's different with you tonight. 'Cause I find that I'm missing you in my mind before I leave you. And I know that I'm wasting time, but I don't know how to be this inclined. I feel like it's wasting all the time, not usually me. I'm not the type to get intertwined, but you've made a point to stick in my mind. Can't make it stop, but you know I try. Guess I believe. Got no control. I'm not usually like this. I have crushed before, but I don't see the likeness. Thought I'd go home, forget like it's mindless, but you changed everything and leaving, baby, tonight. Yeah, yeah, tonight. Yeah, yeah, tonight. Night. Okay, guess there's no harm if I wanna hang a while, 'cause I like everything that you do as well. I'm used to games, usually got some things to hide, but now with you, and I know that I'm wasting time, but I don't know how to be this inclined. I feel like it's wasting all the time, not usually me. I'm not the type to get intertwined, but you've made a point to stick in my mind. Can't make it stop, but you know I try. Guess I believe. Got no control. I'm not usually like this. I have crushed before, but I don't see the likeness. Thought I'd go home, forget like it's mindless, but you changed everything. Leaving, baby, tonight. Yeah, yeah, tonight. Yeah, yeah, tonight. Night. Looks like a trip to boy, I didn't mind. It feels like a trick, but you qualify tonight. Night. No control. I'm not usually like this, but you changed everything. Leaving, baby, tonight.
Matalong pa dito? Hindi na yung ID na? Buti naman.
You said this would be the last time, so why'd you tell me all those white lies? You told me all the time. There's just something in the way that you look in my eyes. I just can't turn away. The look on your face is making me stay. Don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. Swore that you changed, at least that's what you said. Maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Medicine, medicine. Oh. You keep messing with my head. Maybe I would be better off without you in my life. I feel trapped inside your cage, and you threw the key away, and there's just no escape. That's what you're telling me. That's what you did. So don't call me up.
May video ko sa'yo ito. Okay sir, halika. Hawakan mo mabuti. Ben yung tuhod. Yuko. Hilain mo na yung pababa yung lobby. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go!
Yan! Sir!
Haba lang yan eh.
Yun, pag sinabi ni Kuyang, hakbang na, puta, hakbang na ako eh. Ayaw na.
Hali.
Ano, lumilindol?
Enjoy ka naman kuya sa amin.
Ano ba lang?
Enjoy ka naman sa amin, mag-tour guide.
Oh, trabaho lang ito eh.
Para no choice.
Kasi tinatanong tayo kung enjoy tayo eh. dapat sila naman.
Enjoy yung
Dapat kinakamusta rin natin.
Enjoy ko na-enjoy sir.
Bakit sir? Ba't naman?
Dito kayo, pagod ako.
Sorry, kuya.
Jaryo.
Parang iba yun.
Ano yun? Ang jari yun? Tik-tik? Ali, kinakabahan ako, papagalitan mo ako eh. Kasi pag sa akin lang to, bahala na. Basta mag-survive lang ako.
Parehas kayo dati pag-survive.
Pag nakasurvive ako, parang
Please don't call